History of clothing material. Have you ever wondered what materials people used in ancient times for clothes? It appears that in those times people used the bark and the big leaves of trees or animal skins and furs to cover themselves. Okay. Now, after people began to settle in the agricultural communities, they learned to weave twigs and grasses into mats and baskets. Vines, animal fleece or hair were twisted together into long strands, and these were woven into fabrics, right? The early Indians, this is important question, what they used to wear. The early Indians wore fabric made out of cotton that grew in the region near the river Ganga. Now this is another plant. What is the name of the plant? Flax. Flax. This is the flax. Flax is another plant that gives natural fibers. Okay, children. Flax is another plant that gives natural fibers. So, in ancient Egypt, cotton as well as flax were cultivated near the Nile and were used for making the fabrics. Again, important question. Very, very important question. In ancient Egypt, what kind of clothes or what is cultivated? Which fiber were cultivated? So, cotton as well as flax were cultivated. Near which river? Near Nile river. Okay. Now, in those days, stitching was not known. Okay. People simply draped the fabric around different parts of their bodies, right? So many different ways of draping fabrics were used, right? With the invention of the sewing needle, people started stitching fabrics to make clothes. Now, stitched clothes have gone through many variations. Now we have so many types of stitched clothes. So there are few unstitched clothes which we are using now, children. So do you know which are the unstitched clothes which we are using now as well? Stitched clothes have the varieties, of course. So since the invention, variation are there since the invention, but it is not amazing that even today, unstitched clothes like sari, dhoti, lungi and turban is used, isn't it? Just as there is a large variety in the food eaten all over our country, a large variety exists also in the fabrics and the clothing items. Okay. So, two types of clothes we know: stitched clothes, unstitched clothes. So, your shirt, your t-shirts, they are stitched clothes. Okay. Sari, dupatta, turban, dhoti, lungi, they all are unstitched clothes. Okay. So children, we are done with the chapter. Yeah. So we will be giving you the question answers and these exercise questions to be given in your copy. So as soon as you write and finish your copy, please show me and send me the pictures of your notebook.